Hello guys, welcome to another video, and in this video we are going to see how you can integrate Dialogflow ES bot into your website using Kommunicate. So for the very first step, you need a Kommunicate account. If you don't have one yet, there is a registration link in the description box below. You can register now for a 30-day free trial. Once you are done with that, log into your Kommunicate dashboard and then click on bot integration. From this bot integrations page, click on Dialogflow ES. Now the next step is to log into your Dialogflow ES console. Once you are logged in, make sure you have selected the bot you want to integrate. Move back to Kommunicate and then click on Create Service Account Key. You will be redirected to this Google Cloud Platform console. After that, make sure that the selected project is correct. After selecting your project, under Service Account, click New Service Account. Give your service account a name, and from role, go to Project and set as owner. Once done, make sure that the key type is selected as JSON and then click create. Once you click create, your private key will be automatically be downloaded to your computer. Now move back to Kommunicate. Now for the next step, you need to upload your service account key. Either you can click here and browse the file, or you can simply drag and drop. You also have options to select your default language in Dialogflow and your Dialogflow region. Once you are done with all this, click save and proceed. And in the very next step, you can give your bot any custom name and select your bot photo. You can also upload your own photo if you want. Once you are done with all this, click save and proceed. The final step is to enable or disable the bot to human handoff feature. Your bot can hand off the conversation to a human team member when it is unable to recognize an user query. Once the handoff is done, the bot will stop replying. We'll keep this as enabled and click Update Bot Setup. So now you have successfully integrated Dialogflow ES bot with Kommunicate. Now simply just go to Settings and under Install section click Install, click on Web, and you need to copy this script. Now just paste this code above the closing of body tag on every page you want the chat widget to appear. Once done, you have successfully integrated your chatbot with your website. So guys, that is it for this video. If you find this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more videos. And I'll see you in the next one.